This is Klug. Klug is a wonderfully small and easy to install clip that gives your bike a hug and helps keep things tidy around your home. It's the same size and half the weight of a kiwi fruit. Its name sounds like a drain cleaner, but it isn't. And as you'll see from this demo, it's much easier to install than Windows 95. And it will turn virtually anywhere you can think of into somewhere your bike can live. We faced a problem here at Hurdler Studios every day. We'd come into work with our bikes, but we had no good place to store them when we got here. With the problem in hand, we set out designing the details to get a shape that feels effortless to Klug your bike into place. We've gone through a pile of iterations, tested to the point of breaking, and kept designing until we got everything just right. Klug currently fits standard road bike tires, but we have other variations on the drawing board.
Hi, I'm Derek Lee.
And I'm James Filbert.
We are the founders and creators of the world's first smart baby formula milk maker, the Milk Nanny.
Preparing formula milk is never convenient, especially when you have a crying baby to deal with and many other things going on at the same time. That's why we created the Milk Nanny, a reliable smart appliance that is both easy to use and can prepare exceptional formula milk in seconds. Milk Nanny is designed with many features that can simplify your life and give you peace of mind. The one-button control is both easy to use, even in total darkness. And we've added UV sterilization functions and only use BPA-free materials to.
So as always, the firebox just opens up into position. You don't have to do any assembly at all. We've added this expansion chamber that absorbs the expansion of this centerpiece and it reduces warpage. We've changed to larger holes and we've made sure to have a center hole to feed the center of that Swedish fire torch. So you can open it all the way up for free, full flow of air, or you can close it down to slow down the speed of your fire or the temperature of your fire. Your Trangia alcohol burner in this highest position. This creates that 1-inch headspace between the jets and the bottom of your pot. So now you can cook with gas with the folding firebox stove. So you run your gas line down in, and then this just snaps into position. We've also added the cross-feed fuel delivery system. This creates a very efficient fire and makes it very easy to control cooking temperatures. Now I've also increased the depth of these notches to improve our horizontal baking position. So here I have the Zebra loop-handled pot. Now this one is equipped with our stainless steel spring wire clips that allow the use of the handle as an oven door latch. Fueling the stove with this Swedish fire torch setup is really great for big jobs. I have almost 3 quarts of water here. Now look at that flame. Isn't that a thing of beauty? Okay, I think we have a boil here. I'm going to go ahead and check it. And yes, we're starting to boil, so I'm going to go ahead and drop in my corn. And then once this corn is cooked, I'm just going to go ahead and keep boiling water just to see how many pots of water I can boil with this single load of fuel. Okay, there's our second pot of water boiling. Okay, I wasn't quite able to bring that third pot of water to a boil, but it is fairly hot. But now I want to go ahead and use these hot coals. Now that the flame is gone, I want to use these hot coals to grill a steak. So I'm going to go ahead and use this optional set of fire sticks, this optional second set of fire sticks, to put my grill plate on. There we go. Wow, that's looking beautiful. Okay, now I want to go ahead and transition into my baking project. But I'm going to steal some of these hot coals out of here, and I'll show you why here in just a second. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my pot in its horizontal baking position. This will give us a little bit of heat on the top side of our oven. This will give us just a little bit of flame and help us get this oven preheated a little bit faster. Okay, you can see that that certainly turned up the heat. I'm going to go ahead and put my rolls in. Take off my oven door. Put my oven door back on. And we're baking. Let's check our rolls. Oh wow, they look great. Let me see if I can get them out of here. Oh yeah, those turned out really nice. I've been able to keep it nice and warm here with this radiant heat of the firebox. And I'm also going to put some butter on the tops of these rolls. And get it in one piece. Oh wow. Woo, they're hot. Wow, look at those rolls. That really turned out nice. Look at that meal. Wow, that's going to be delicious. Wow. Delicious. Look at that beautiful steak. Hey Kickstarter, you could probably tell I had a really great time up there testing out the new Firebox stove. I'm really impressed with its performance. I need to give credit to the Firebox community. Many of those new features were born from user feedback. They've been a really big support to me and my family over the last few years, and I'd really like to give them their new perfected Firebox. But I need your help. I've got some tooling and some programming to pay for, and I'm hoping that you'll take the time now and go down into the rewards section and find something that you really like. And make a pledge today. I really appreciate it. You'll have a really great time with your new Firebox stove. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.
At OpenROV, we believe that exploration is not just about gathering data, but also about experiencing new worlds in a new way. We've designed Trident to be extremely fun to fly.
Most ROVs, they move up and down slowly, they go left and right, forward and reverse. Trident is nothing like that. It flies like an airplane. It speeds along, you can bank, you can dive. It's fun to fly. It goes fast when you want it to, but it can slow down and be precise when you have something you want to inspect.
Getting video from underwater has always been a challenge because radio waves don't travel through water. So we've developed a very lightweight, neutrally buoyant tether, which communicates the video feed from the ROV up to the surface. That attaches to a wireless buoy, which allows you to control the ROV from any Wi-Fi connected device.
Like a tablet, a laptop, or even a VR device like an Oculus Rift or a Google Cardboard. We wanted an ROV that could go to places that no ROV had been before. So we designed it to be ultra portable, whether you're hiking to high alpine lakes or you're bringing this as carry-on luggage. It goes wherever you go.